Hello all, here is a vintage Whirlpool deep freezer. And it looks like it has a lock on it. I don't know if we have a key to it. And you can hear it is running. Your measurements: 546 pounds, 15.61 cubic feet. Model ELH-16S. There's a bunch of gallon jugs of water. I don't know why these are in here, but it's okay. And you could see from how far down those are just how big this thing is. Like, I certainly like it anyway. I have the book for it too. There's not really a whole lot to say on it, otherwise that is a huge freezer. I've never had one of these before, but it's pretty cool to have. We don't really use it that much, but eventually we are. It's got like this basket here, along with a higher up shelf there. I imagine under there is where the compressor is. You know, considering that there's like a door there on the side. I'll have to ask my mom if she knows where if she has a key for it. But yeah. So yeah, it's a nice big freezer.